Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Adam Berasul Zaidi, metric number 04 DEE 25F 1036.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Azlan, metric number 04 DEE 25 F1033.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Akmal bin Nurdin. My metric number 04 DEE 25 F1009.
Good morning everyone. Today our group will be presenting about a very useful electronic instrument, the oscilloscope. An oscilloscope is a device used to display and analyze the waveform of electrical signals. It allows us to see how voltage changes over time in the form of graph, with time on the x-axis and voltage on the y-axis. This tool is commonly used by engineers, technicians, and students to troubleshoot and test electronic circuits.
Next, I'm going to show how it works and main features. The oscilloscope works by capturing an electronic signal and displaying it on a screen in real time. The main part of an oscilloscope include the display screen, probes, control knobs, and input channels. You can measure frequency, amplitude, rise time, and even noise in a signal. Modern digital oscilloscope also allow you to store waveform and analyze them using software.
Next, use and safety tip. Oscilloscopes are used in many fields such as electronic repeat, repair research, automotive, design notice, and even medical devices like ECG machine. To use an oscilloscope, first content to probe to the point of your circuit and adjust the setting like voltage division and time for division and signal, and open the oscilloscope. For safety, all start with the lowest voltage range, avoid touch light circuit, and make sure your proper and properly guarded. Thank you for the attention.